Let me see. See, my glasses are for distance. So it's 2024 CR 012889. Oh, no, that's what it is. I probably said it incorrectly. Could parties re-announce for the record?
Yes.
Eric Baker for the defendant, Judge.
And are you Ms. Sewell?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Sewell, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are not going to proceed on paragraph A, the paragraph B, and count 2.
No, Judge.
So I'm sorry, because you're waiving count 1, paragraph B?
Yes, ma'am. Proceeding on paragraph A.
Okay. And you're waiving count 2?
Yes.
And you said there are no objections.
Correct, Judge.
All right. Ms. Sewell, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In count 1, paragraph A, you're charged with murder. That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Judge, yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Sewell, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 1, paragraph A. Punishment is to be assessed at 30 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. Affirmative finding of deadly weapon. No applications. You're not eligible. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. With an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition, and you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent. Did you understand that to be your plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to count 1, paragraph A, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State proper states Exhibit 1.
No
And-
objection. Oh,
Well, this is Exhibit A1 as well.
no
Any
objection.
objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witness statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and considered stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Oh, yes, Judge, we'd like to.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I just briefly, my client is today, well, she's about 63. She'll turn 63 April 30th. I will point out that aside from the circumstances of this case, my client has never had any adverse contact with law enforcement whatsoever. No misdemeanors, no felonies. This case was pretty complex, Judge, from a family dynamic standpoint, and I want to just let the court know that the state and I have been working very hard to try to balance all the interests in this case. The family's been very involved. We're process also, talking to both sides. My client from day one has taken responsibility. From day one, she said, I do not want a jury trial. I want to take responsibility for this. Of course, Judge, we had to work through some things to get that sanity proceedings, et cetera, which we went through before we could enter this plea, having done our due diligence first. I think, Judge, 30 years is a good balance between punishment for this crime and also taking into consideration her age, criminal record, and the wishes of the family, Judge. And I'd ask you to follow the plea bargain in this case.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court, as previously stated, is finding you guilty of count 1, paragraph A. The court will sentence you to 30 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine, affirmative finding of family violence, credit for any time served, and there's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Judge, only that this case did involve some controlled substances, and I'm wondering if the court would recommend her for the therapeutic community.
Yes, I will. With regards to the therapeutic community, you'll have to ask for it as well. I have no jurisdiction to force them, to order them to place you in the program. Counsel.
Oh, thank you, Judge. All right.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Yeah.